Hey, what's up guys? Trucker Curtis here. Time to chain up. I'm over here in Montana. I'm gonna be heading over Lookout Pass, and guess what? It's chains required. So, I actually have doubles here, so we're gonna be chaining up both of the trailers. If I can get these chains out, I'll start with these guys here. I got my bungees. I gotta go grab them in the truck. We'll put these on the other side. These gloves I have on are really good for chaining up. Kinko Hydro Flector. Pretty good gloves. You can check that out at truckercurtis.com/gear if you want to get some. I do have them up there. Wow, that guy put on chains so fast. Yeah, I'm the slow one at throwing these chains. It's been like 30 minutes, I only got 2 on. This guy's from Canada. He says his first time chaining up.
Those are a lot fucking easier to put on than super singles.
Oh, dang, you got super singles?
Yeah.
Wow.
Those are so much easier. I got the trailer on.
Yeah. It's just time consuming.
Yeah.
That was a gentleman from Canada there. What's that?
Did you lose your key?
No, I have it somewhere. It's in there. You lost yours?
No, I got a couple.
Okay.
So I think they lifted it.
You think so? Or are they stopping up there to chain up? Because there's the chain up area is right down there, you know? And you're right, the crappy thing is you never know how bad it is up there.
So is there another warning just before you get there?
Nope.
Right there.
Yeah.
Scale up there? See if you're chained up or what?
No, but there could be an officer, you never know. The last scale we passed is just down there, you know? I've never seen it. Usually in Washington, have snow plowing, they'll sit there.
Yeah. It's up there.
You're welcome. Yeah. I mean, you don't want to copy the other drivers, you know, whatever you're comfortable with. If you want to run it
I've
with
only got 29 in the box, so it's like,
29 is pretty good. I got, what is this, like 12? It's just a bunch of dunnage there.
Well, you got wiggle wagons too, so like, I mean,
Yeah.
all it takes is black ice.
A little chit chat. Nothing wrong with that, huh? I gotta admit though, I do love the sound of the chains. They sound pretty awesome.
Wrong way?
No, I got them the right way. I'm filming this for my YouTube channel, Trucker Curtis. Something to do. I mean, might as well put that on YouTube while I'm doing this. You got bungees on there?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. That makes sense because I always put mine on loose, but I throw on extra bungees to make up for it. It helps out.
Do you need this?
No, I got something a little bit better than that you can get like at a truck stop in Washington at Gear Jammers. It's in Yakima. It's like a
Spider?
I don't know what it is. It's like a crowbar with like different little things on it. Well, morning. Think about 2 more chains and that should be good. Is it still chains required?
I don't think so.
The sign didn't say it?
They lifted it?
I didn't see it. That's all I can
Okay, I'll take it. Take what you can get. One more? Yeah, one more. Just kidding, that's the one I just did. So, I mean, they're not horribly bad. Stick a bungee here. Stick another bungee here and here. There we go. I just put 2 bungees on this one. This one needs extra bungees on it, for sure. Using that right there. Yeah. Thank you though.